so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down. Let me down.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amirul Faisal. I'm from TKKB. I want to explanation about this article in my essay. The title of this article is Artificial Intelligence in Theory and Practice, edited by Max Bremer. You can find in Library Genesis. There are many articles and journals in this website. Then go back to my essay, Artificial Intelligence in Theory and Practice. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is intelligence demonstrated by machines, unlike the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals. Leading AI textbooks define the field as the study of intelligent agents, any device that perceives its environment and takes actions that maximize its chance of successfully achieving its goals. Colloquially, the term artificial intelligence is often used to describe machines or computers that mimic cognitive functions that humans associate with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. Next, can AI do it? The function of AI brain is automation of learning and recurring discovery, more data analysis and faster and perfect accuracy. Next, this is a structure of my essay. First, abstract, the main idea of this essay. Second, introduction. The introduction explains about the early development of AI for society. Third, body. The body is mind and body AI and knowledge management. Fourth, conclusion. The conclusion is the biggest problem for computer work in AI. Next, abstract. AI does not intend to create identical copy of human being, but try to find a better form to represent all the knowledge contained in our minds. The society of the information lives a great paradox. At the same time that we have access to an innumerable amount of information, the capacity and the forms of its processing are very limited. Next, introduction. From Castiles, the technology does not decide to society and neither the society writes the course of the technological information, since factors, including creativity and enterprising initiative, intervene in the trial of scientific discovery, technological innovation, and social application, so that the final result depends on a complex interactive standard. While the technologies of the information advance, the gears, person, and technologies go altering their objective and originating an endless cycles of renewal. Next, mind and body. Suppose a robot in a factory of cars and that we be able to ask it what is his opinion about mind and body. Evidently, that creature will not be able to answer promptly, therefore, it will have that to inspect before its model as is programmed for carry out determined functions, for example, adapting some piece or performing the painting of the vehicle that is passing over the caterpillar probably will not obtain no answer. The knowledge became to be the focus of the business leaders that seek way of increasing the performance of its organization. They will assure the viability and the support success. Methods and techniques to acquire, represent, share, and maintain the knowledge that itself necessary, therefore, is in all of the place, software, person, organization, nature, among others, and in all the form, as for example, in a base of facts, in the person, in an organizational practice, shared tacitly, or to even in a robot. Next, KMAI. KMAI is knowledge management with artificial intelligence. It aims at being a strategical differential in the organization of the knowledge that intend to acquire competitiveness through the processing of information for decision taking. This concept initially integrates to the knowledge management with the intelligence of symbiotic forms, considering that in a systemic form, the last one belongs to the first one. To produce intelligence alone is possible with the process of management of the knowledge, or still to produce strategical information knowledge, the right information data must be organized. Next. Conclusion. For Goswami, one of the biggest problems for the computer is to work with the creativity, therefore are competent in the remixing of objects inside context supplied by the programmer, but cannot discover new context. However, humans can do that because of our not local conscience jumps outside from the system, and like this we generate something new in an entirely new context. This is a illustration about AI in software desktop. This is a illustration AI in mobile app, and this is a illustration about brain and structure about AI. Next. And on this reference, use MLA format because Castile's manual. This is a name author. Next, Societe MRD. This is a work title. And then Sao Paulo Pas e Terre 1999. This is a publication city and year. Thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.